El Paso County stay-at-home order will officially expire on Friday, and more businesses are set to reopen. KTSM 9 News reporter Tatiana Favela shares how some El Pasoans are preparing.
Now that the governor has given Texas the green light to slowly start to reopen for business, we wanted to ask how El Paso feels about that and what plans hospitals have in place as more and more people will begin to leave their homes.
We all haven't been tested yet. We don't know who has it and who doesn't. So with having people go out and about and be together again, I feel like it's just going to spread it a lot faster, and it'll just be the second wave of this whole pandemic.
With the stay-home order set to expire Thursday at midnight, some El Pasoans say they're feeling uneasy.
We're not completely sure as a county yet, and I don't know if we're necessarily ready. I think Texas should have waited off to see how all counties had everything before they said anything and did anything about it. So as of right now, I'm just kind of nervous still going to see what goes forward.
Andrea Betancourt works at a local grocery store and says maintaining a clean and safe environment will continue to be a priority for both customers and employees.
Sometimes I feel like they do feel bothered when we do tell them to wear gloves or just to be careful and not be near one another, but it's for their health in mind, not just because we want to bother them or have them feel uncomfortable.
KTSM reaching out to local hospitals for their plans. A spokesperson with Las Palmas del Sol Healthcare sending a statement reading in part, quote, "As we resume services, we will regularly evaluate our best practices to assess when and if procedural adjustments are necessary. Our willingness to adapt is a direct reflection of our commitment to providing the highest caliber care." University Medical Center responding with this statement, "The success of flattening or slowing the growth of the curve of coronavirus infections is largely due to El Pasoans staying home and practicing social distancing. By keeping the amount of infected El Pasoans to a minimum, we are able to provide the best possible care to all of our patients, whether they are COVID-19 patients or otherwise in our care." And we also heard back from the hospitals of Providence sending us a statement that reads in part, quote, "Our hospital has taken the appropriate steps and we have trained professionals and the necessary equipment to react accordingly." We'll have these hospitals' full statements on our website at ktsm.com. Tatiana Favela, KTSM 9 News.